Hey guys, we're going to do a video on how to load a board onto your Epson SureColor printer. So we'll go ahead and go into the menu. Going to go into the menu, choose one of the roll options, go to the bottom and select poster board. And then you want to make sure that your paper type is set to enhanced matte board. Hit OK. At this point, what you're going to want to do is lift your media tray. It shows you in the diagram here. You'll lift this up to the B option. Once you get this message, you'll want to put the board in from the front and just make sure you go under the pinch rollers. You'll butt it up to the right edge here, and then with your thumbs make sure that the front edge is squared. And then on the menu you'll just hit complete.